G'day, this is Chris O. How you doing? I've arrived on this job and this is the ensuite. So the owner has replaced the timber work. What I'm going to be doing is resheet the shower, and I'll be screeding the floor. So that's the ensuite, and this is the laundry and bathroom. I'll be resheeting all these walls. It needs to be taken off because that's an old wallpaper and that's the old glue. A lady lived in this house, she was 102, and Chris, his name is, that has bought it. He's stripping it out and it's all getting done up and it's going to come out a treat. But yeah, all that needs to come off. That's all wallpaper, or old wallpaper. So I'll cut straight across there, 100mm down from the corners, and we're laughing. We'll see you soon. I better get into it. This is Chris O. Right, so I've just taken these sheets off. I'll cut these nails off, resheet it. What I need to do is work out my height for my niche. I'll come up, what do I need to come up? 25mm. So I'll have my screed at 25mm plus the tile, which is 10mm. So I'll get that height with the laser level, transfer it over to here. I'm going up 6x3 tiles. They'll be horizontal, not vertical. The horizontal, which everything is done horizontal in Australia these days. I'll come up, define my height, get the height of the top of my niche. We're laughing. I'll do it from that stud. See how they've straightened that? I showed that in another video. A few videos ago. You put a saw cut in and a wedge. That straightens your stud. Right, so I'll cut out that stud and we'll make the niche from that stud to that stud. We're laughing. Absolute beautiful. So I'll start by taking off these, zapping these nails off, and then I'll jack up my height for the niche.